Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to prevent and fix an overheating engine. An overheating engine can be a serious problem, and it's important to know how to prevent it from happening and how to fix it if it does. So, let's get started. Causes of an overheating engine. The first thing you need to know is what causes an engine to overheat. There are several reasons why this can happen. Let's have a look at some of the causes of an overheating engine. 1. Low coolant levels. Coolant is responsible for regulating the temperature of your engine. If the coolant levels are low, the engine can overheat. 2. Malfunctioning thermostat. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant through the engine. If it's not working properly, the engine can overheat. 3. Broken water pump. The water pump circulates the coolant through the engine. If it's broken, the coolant won't circulate properly, and the engine can overheat. 4. Clogged radiator. The radiator is responsible for cooling the coolant. If it's clogged with debris, the coolant won't be able to cool down, and the engine can overheat. 5. Faulty cooling fan. The cooling fan helps to regulate the temperature of the engine. If it's not working properly, the engine can overheat. 6. Heavy load. If you're carrying a heavy load or towing a trailer, your engine has to work harder, which can cause it to overheat. 7. Hot weather. If you're driving in hot weather conditions, your engine is more likely to overheat. Remember, it is important to identify the cause of the problem before attempting to fix it. How to prevent and fix an overheating engine. Now that you know what causes an engine to overheat, let's talk about how to prevent it from happening. An overheating engine can cause serious damage to your vehicle, so it's important to take preventive measures to avoid this issue. Here are some steps you can take to prevent your engine from overheating. 1. Regularly check your coolant level and top it off if needed. Coolant is essential for regulating the temperature of your engine. Make sure to check the coolant level in the reservoir regularly and top it off if it's low. Be sure to use the correct type of coolant recommended for your vehicle. 2. Inspect the radiator and hoses for leaks or damage. The radiator and hoses are crucial components of your vehicle's cooling system. Regularly inspect them for any signs of leaks, cracks, or damage. If you notice any issues, have them repaired or replaced as soon as possible. 3. Replace a faulty thermostat if necessary. The thermostat is responsible for regulating the flow of coolant through the engine. If it's faulty, it can cause the engine to overheat. If you notice any signs of a malfunctioning thermostat, such as fluctuating temperature gauge readings, have it replaced by a professional mechanic. 4. Regularly flush the cooling system to remove debris and contaminants. Over time, debris and contaminants can build up in the cooling system, hindering its ability to regulate the engine's temperature. It's important to flush the cooling system regularly to remove these impurities and ensure optimal performance. 5. Check your fan belt. The fan belt helps to draw air through the radiator, so it's important to make sure it's in good working condition. Check the fan belt for cracks or fraying, and replace it if necessary. 6. If your engine overheats while driving, pull over and let it cool down before checking for any issues and adding water to the radiator if necessary. If you notice your engine overheating while driving, pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Allow the engine to cool down before opening the hood to check for any visible issues, such as leaks or low coolant levels. If necessary, add water to the radiator to help lower the temperature. 7. Seek professional help if the issue persists despite trying these tips and tricks. If you've tried all of these preventive measures and your engine continues to overheat, it's important to seek professional help from a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose the underlying issue and make any necessary repairs to prevent further overheating. By following these preventive measures, you can help ensure that your engine stays cool and runs smoothly, preventing the risk of overheating and potential damage to your vehicle. So, there you have it, the causes and remedies of an overheating engine as well as our tips and tricks for preventing and fixing an overheating engine. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, with some preventative maintenance and quick action, you can keep your engine from overheating. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.